In October last year, it was confirmed that the RGP's drug squad had been dismantled, with the force working holistically to target crime instead. Now the Shadow Justice Minister has questioned what is being done to provide the force with the resources to tackle drug crime more effectively than last year.
Madam Speaker, the Commissioner of Police has emphasised that dealing with drug crime continues to be a priority for the RGP. This means that response teams, which are 24/7 uniformed officers together with the Marine Section, continue to be the front line in tackling drugs. Notwithstanding this, the RGP is not the only law enforcement agency engaged with tackling crime linked to drugs, and agencies such as HM Customs have an important role to play. This government is supporting the RGP to recruit 10 command and dispatch police support officers and 5 detention police support officers. I am informed that this will lead to the release of 15 police officers to frontline policing in the next 4 months. Furthermore, I am informed that the RGP are currently recruiting police constables, a process which is underway and further demonstrates this government's commitment to resourcing the RGP.
Joelle Ladislaus highlighted figures on drug crime in last year's policing report.
The 161 drug misuse offences recorded in the past year is a 21% reduction on the year before. Though we would like to say this is due to a decrease in drug use, this is not likely to be the true reflection of the local drug markets and more as a result of a reduction available in the resources available to tackle this issue. This reduction in resources is due to the need to redeploy assets to meet other policing priorities. Can the Minister confirm that it is because the RGP simply did not have the resources available to it in order to tackle drugs, and that is the reason why they were forced to redeploy officers?
But Speaker, not in our view, because the RGP has more resources than they have ever had before.
The Shadow Minister also asked whether the RGP had made a case for more resources in the past 12 months. Nigel Feetham said they hadn't in relation to this area of policing. Ms Ladislaus continued to push on whether there was a resource issue.
It's a resource issue like every other resource issue within the RGP. So when officers leave, clearly there is a gap created, and what the government has done is given commitments to the RGP to ensure that resourcing is at a point where the police can discharge their overall responsibilities to the public.
The Minister said the matter was one that is constantly discussed with the Commissioner.